Hi, so welcome back. Here is a recording of the magnet grinder, and let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do, place a pole and place a metal block on top of it. Also keep this unanchored. Go to the plus, and when there's this check, press it to remove the check and unanchor things. Press it again to anchor it back. You want it off. So put a metal block on the pole, and then put a rod or two on the back. Place a hinge on the rod, and then a golden block and a magnet. And the final thing you want to do, place a pilot seat right here. Then, before you delete the pole, actually save this. Before you delete the pole. Unlike I just did, that wasn't very smart. But anyway, to activate the grinder, tap the magnet, and just fly. The same controls for this grinder. Every now and then you'll have to press up or hold it a bit, and that will make you fly a bit so you don't go into the floor and hit a rock. Also, this stage is annoying. It's pretty much the destroyer of every grinder in the game. Okay, so here we go. We're at the end. And then right into the chest, and then dip the gold. So that's how you build the grinder. So that's it for this one, guys. Bye.